What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about how good Samsung's repairs are. So taking my phone that looks like this now, but what it used to look like was it used to look like this, so it was pretty bad. So Samsung definitely did a really great job, and I'm going to be walking basically through the process of what happened in a short video, and then the longer, I guess like a vlog style video, like as it happened, will be coming out probably Saturday. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so let's get started. So before I do get started, don't judge the wallpaper and everything, how it's laid out. I literally just got this phone yesterday, so I'm still, setting everything up. But yeah, so as you can see, the screen is fine. And as you saw before, the screen was practically completely dead. The screen was unresponsive, the part that wasn't dead. I mean, yeah, so it was honestly pretty bad. But I think it looks really nice now. I was going to set the wallpaper more, in the center. So let me actually go quick through that. Okay, there we go. But yeah, so now it's actually really nice. They repaired it completely for free. Let me just grab proof. This is their like repair statement, whatever. And as you can see, price is both free, grand total free. So that was really nice of them to do that. And it took 13 days, so it was pretty good. And the screen obviously is fine. They completely replaced the display and like all the glass layers and everything. So that was super nice of them, again, for free. So yeah, overall, I'd say the satisfactoriness scale from 1 to 10 would definitely be a 9. The only thing I didn't like was just because I lost all my photos that were on here, but they're on my phone, so I'm just thinking of from just like a regular person standpoint, that would be kind of like a big downside. But they completely replaced the housing and everything, so that was super nice of them. And yeah, honestly, I'm just super satisfied with their repair. And this green actually looks better. And the crease is definitely way better. Like, it's hardly there, which is nice. Maybe it'll just take some time to break in. But the display is obviously brand new, so it's working great. And then you can expect this to last longer. But what actually happened to my Galaxy Z Flip 5 that caused the display to break? So the Z Flip 5, actually, I guess technically the one I have right here is defective. They did fix it, but some part was pinching the display from the inside, which then caused it to just go black and basically kill itself. But yeah, so I'm definitely, whoa, okay, yeah. So I'm definitely satisfied with the outcome. It's definitely really great. They did not damage the device, themselves, like no major scratches or anything that was caused during the repair. So I'm definitely really happy with it. So overall, like I said, I give a 9 or a 10 for the scale of satisfactory. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be doing more videos on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 after the repair. Yeah, so just stick around for those and just view videos on this in general. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.